Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is going to be something that I already tried on one of my previous videos, but I just wanted to make a specific video for this because I'm going to be doing this a lot in future videos, and I just want something to reference to because I don't want to keep like redoing the same process in every video. You know what I'm saying? For this video, I'm using the wig that James transformed on his channel. It was the Cocoa Peru wig, so here she is. I'm going to strip the color off of it using the baking soda method, which requires, obviously, baking soda, dish soap, and dandruff shampoo. Now, originally, I was doing this with just regular shampoo. However, a lot of you mentioned use dandruff shampoo, but you guys didn't tell me why. So I just did my own research, and apparently dandruff helps with removing color off the hair, which I never knew that. I just had to do a little Google search, and I asked Google, does dandruff shampoo help with removing hair color? And Google was like, yes sis, it does. So let's get started. We're gonna use the iPhone footage and we'll be right back. All right, let's get started. So I started by filling this plastic bin with hot, steamy water. Yes. Then I went in with the Dawn soap, the anti-dandruff shampoo, and the baking soda. Now I don't have specific measurements on how I did it. I just did a nice little squeeze of Dawn soap, a nice little squeeze of anti-dandruff shampoo, and a nice chug of baking soda. But I just made sure I had a little bit more baking soda than I did the Dawn soap and the shampoo. So obviously I wanted the bin to have enough water for the wig to completely submerge. And then based on the water level, I just squeezed the amount of shampoo, dish soap, and baking soda. After I mixed the products, I dipped in the wig into the water and let it sit there for about 20 minutes. After that, I took the wig out and rinsed it until the water ran clear, and then repeated that same baking soda process 2 more times. So in total, took a total of 3 times to completely take the dye out of the wig. Then I went ahead and toned the wig with the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and just make sure that the whole wig was saturated. That way I don't miss any spots. Then I continued the toning process with using the L'Oreal purple conditioner. That way it brings back some of the softness in the hair. All right, I am back. Here she is. Oh my god. So I can't believe she's back to being blonde, and she's actually a 613 blonde. She has a yellow undertone, obviously because it came from orange. As you saw, after I rinsed it out, I washed the wig with the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and then I conditioned it with a purple conditioner by L'Oreal. And that way I could just tone out a little bit more of that yellow and that orange. But it turned out fine. It turned out good. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I feel like the gay from Mean Girls. This is the color of hair that I want. But yeah, anyway, after I rinsed it, I towel dried it a little bit, and then I used the Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray before I dried the hair with a blow dryer because I didn't want to damage the hair more than it already is from the baking soda. And not really damaged. I don't know why I said damage. It's just dry. It's a little dry right now. She's dry. But as you saw in my other videos, the Billie Eilish wig actually turned out to feel a little bit more like human hair after I conditioned it a few more times. So I might do that. But for now, I actually wanted to try this product. I wanted to use the X Mondo Super Gloss on it. According to his website, this easy-to-use formula delivers high-impact shines plus vegan bond-building technology for healthier, head-turning hair exactly how we like it. Great for people with damaged or compromised hair. And honestly, this is a little damaged. I'm gonna use the word damaged. But let me use this now. I'm just gonna go in with my bare hands. Ooh, because the instructions on here actually say, apply to cleanse dry hair and comb through to evenly saturate hair. Process for 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly. So I'm just gonna go with my hands like a hair cream. And I'm just gonna go in and saturate this hair. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna saturate it and leave it in there for 20 minutes. It's also supposed to bring some sheen back to the hair. I don't know about you guys, but I honestly do like shiny hair. So I'm hoping this brings a little more sheen to it. I want it to look like synthetic, but be human hair. You know what I'm saying? Like shiny. Not Party City shiny, but shiny enough. Now, one of you guys actually recommended this product. You already know I'm already using Brad Mondo's products. And now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a fan of like influencer products because I don't know, I just like, you know, they're on YouTube, we're on YouTube. I honestly just like influencer products, maybe because there's like a face attached to it. Like it's not just like some big corporate brand. So that's why I use them. But anyways, I'm gonna continue saturating the hair with a super gloss, and then I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes and then rinse her out, okay? Then I'll be right back. All right, I am back. My bad, I lied. I just wanted to show you how it looks all saturated. Wow. Now I'm gonna come through it to make sure that all the hair has the product. I think I used a little bit too much. I don't know, I didn't really watch a video. Ooh, who is texting me? Who cares? I didn't really watch a video about it. I probably should have. It's funny because I buy all these Xmondo color products and I don't really watch his videos like that. Like, not gonna lie. Like I mentioned earlier, I just like buying influencer products. I don't know why. Can't explain it. It's just a thing I do. And y'all know I'm new to hair, so I'm just like, okay, this influencer has their hair license. They must know what they're talking about. They must be making good products, so that's why I bought it. And honestly, I am a fan now of his hair creams or his hair treatments, color hair treatments. So that's why I'm like, let me go with the company that I already know. All right, so I come through it now. I'm gonna let it sit here for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it off, dry it off, and then we'll be right back. Will, where's James? I will be right back. All right, and here we are. We are rinsing the super gloss out of this Wigatron. And honestly, you guys, while I was rinsing this super gloss out of the hair felt so soft. I was like, ooh, I was a little bit shook. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit shook. All right, I am back. Oh my God. He-Man is back again. Just playing. So yeah, oh my God, I'm looking at the monitor. She does have a little gold undertones, but oh my God, look. Woo! And I'm doing it again. Woo! And again. Woo! Look at her. Oh my God, the color is gone. The orange is gone. I'm glad that it worked this time, because if you saw, when I tried it the first time, there were still like little blue patches and stuff, which I could have done a bleach bath, but that's probably gonna be done when we redo the Billie Eilish wig, because ooh, I know that one's gonna take forever. But honestly, I'm glad that the hair feels like hair again. This actually worked. It worked. It did what it said it was gonna do. And the baking soda method is usually for semi-permanent dyes. I don't know about permanent dyes. Haven't tried it, but I know for semi-permanent, like this watercolor one, it worked. It took me 3 times to do it. The color stripped away. I toned it, and then I gave it a little conditioning treatment, and it's back to feeling like hair. And I'm back to looking like He-Man. I used to watch that when I was younger, but in Spanish. And honestly, I haven't seen it since then, so I don't know any of the catchphrases. But anyways, that's it. That's how to remove semi-permanent hair dye off of a wig. I know there's other methods, other combinations that you can use. And thank you, Robert, for recommending the Xmondo Color Super Gloss, because it actually did make it feel like hair. Also, thank you guys for recommending the anti-dandruff shampoo. I actually got this one from the dollar store. It was only $1. I'm like, I'm not gonna spend more money for the Head & Shoulders one, where this one says it contains same active ingredients as Head & Shoulders. So it worked. All right, so that's it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you guys use this as a reference, because in future videos, I'm probably gonna be doing the same method, but I'm just gonna be like, hey, click this one, I already done it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, deuces. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is Jane's $50 Amazon human hair wig. So this might get a transformation in the future as well. But for now, we need her as a blonde, because we need her for a little skit that we're planning on doing after we come back from Palm Springs. So yeah, just some little behind the scenes tea for our channels. All right, I already said bye, so I don't know what to say.